Good day, everyone. So this morning, one of Leo's classmates' mom sent us this website. It is called New Fun Deep Sea. So when you open this, it's actually a sea, and then you can scroll down to see all kind of creatures. One of our favorites is definitely the It's definitely the what is it? Ugh, the wolf eel. Where's the angel jellyfish? And you can scroll all the way down to nearly like 10,000 meters. It is a very fun website. And then, oh, what happened? And then afterwards, we also watched the video on YouTube. It's from National Geographic magazine about the deep sea creature, about how those creatures are glowing. Leo, do you remember why those creatures are glowing green?
Because they have two thingies, and if they mix together, they make this green lighting, and the water takes all of the colors away except blue, so they use blue light to check.
Exactly, very good. They use blue light to check, and that's why most creatures growing green. Okay, so yeah, this is I think we're reaching to the end. Anyway, this is a great website. This is very fun to watch. And after watching this website and the video, we decide to create our own sea creature. Okay, we forgot to mention this is Ying and this is Leo is 6 years old, and this is
Cici, that's 4 years old.
okay, perfect. So because it's in the deep sea, there's basically no light in the sea. So we decide we're gonna use black paper instead of white. You can easily get this from any craft store or some other store. For example, like Hemar, I'm sure they have a lot. Now I have the black paper, and then next I decide to use colored pencil. Hands off. So okay, so for the colored pencil, I think normally if you draw on a black paper, you need something that can bring the color out. Normally the best choice is acrylic or oil painting. If for kids, acrylic is better because the smell of oil painting I think is a little bit toxicated. Okay, but for the kids at a young age group, I think colored pencil is much better. For colored pencil, there are actually many kinds. My personal favorite is watercolor colored pencil, but in this situation, I do not recommend, because for watercolor-based colored pencil, the effect is very light. It looks good on the white paper, but not on the black paper. I think the best should be the oil pastel, anything oil-based. We have a set of colored pencil. I have no idea. I don't think it's watercolor pencil, but I tried before myself to. I drew a cloud. I think the effect is okay. So, and it has all kinds of colors. Cici 让开，否则老母就要生气咯。So we decide to use this color pencil. Okay. So first of all, Leo, did you choose which creature do you want to draw?
The angel jellyfish.
How about you, Cici?
I'll choose maybe. Actually, I'm changing my mind. Not this one. I'll choose this one.
Okay, it's a dragonfish.
Yeah.
Okay, so there are some specialties about a deep sea creature. First of all, because it's deep sea, no lights can come in. So quite often they have to make their own light, which we mentioned before by glowing. Okay, so keep that in mind. And number two is, I think because the lacking of light, many fish, the eyes of the fish, how to say that, become not so functional anymore. And from this website and the video, it seems to be, I'm not sure whether this is scientifically correct. Quite often they use color red as camouflage. Okay, and some of the deep sea creature is humongous. Like there's kind of squid, the giant squid is 11 meters long. Okay, so now all of us are thinking of a deep sea creature in our mind. You think about how will they make lights and what is the color of it. And if you want, you can make multiple deep sea creatures. Okay, can you see why? This is the reason why I like this color pencil. You have so many colors to choose. Okay, before Leo said he wants to do angel jellyfish, and you said which color do you want to use?
White and orange.
White and orange, great choice. How about you, Cici? You want to draw a dragon fish. By the way, both of the creatures actually exist in the deep sea. Okay, what color do you want to use for your dragon fish?
I'm going to use the color that's not the same as it.
What is the color then?
Then I want to choose silver and pink.
Silver and pink, and Leo wants white and orange. Sounds great. Okay, now let's dive in. Okay, so it doesn't matter. Cici can draw whatever you want. But Leo, for you, you first have to think how big is your creature is. And if you want, you can use the white to make a very light draft. Cici like this dragon, must be because dragon is one of Cici's favorite creature. Oh, Cici's dragon has sharp teeth.
Yeah, because dragons really have.
Yeah, Cici, I saw your dragon fish, and the color of the eye is silver. Okay, what is this dingling down under?
Because
dingling
I
down under.
know this one.
Okay, yes, and Leo. Okay, if you want, you can also draw the home of the angel jelly. For example, does the angel jelly has family members, and where does where does it live? Does it live in coral or live in the seaweed?
It lives in coral. I just need to draw some of the coral.
Is there any seaweed deep sea? I think yes. Oh, there's a great idea. If you want, you can also draw, how to say, the remain of the sinking ship that we saw in the video.
What's the sinking ship?
Like Titanic, it used to be one of the biggest cruise in the whole wide world. Exactly.
So I want to draw some of the ships here.
Yeah, you can create a whole story out of it. And if you don't want the draft, it's fine. Just turn the paper around. By the way, about drawing paper, sometimes for some kind of situation, for example, watercolored paper or Chinese ink painting, you have to pay attention about whether you use the right side of the paper. But I think for this situation, this black paper, I feel like it is the same as printing paper, so it doesn't matter.
Plus, the teeth color is yellow, so I get yellow first.
Ah, yucky yellow! I think that the dragonfish should brush its teeth.
Yes. You can see the inside of the angel. And we were kind of the giga type of orange teeth angel.
Exactly.
The dragonfish brushed his teeth.
Oh, so now it's white instead of yellow.
Yeah, it's a little bit of yellow. I put some yellow on it and white on it, so it turns into this color.
Yeah, and Uncle Daniel will be very proud of you. Uncle Daniel is our dentist.
No, put the white back. I need the white.
Okay, please use some green words instead of red words, okay?
And now
under the sea, under the sea.
how does the angelfish look like again?
Okay, if your kids cannot remember, you just Google it. Okay, per the request of the kids, we actually Googled angelfish and dragonfish. Let's see. Leo 看，我可以把这个退回去吗？ They said angelfish are a large group of extreme small and swimming sea slugs. Okay, it's actually sea slug. Not to be confused with the other. Angelfish, also sometimes known as, well, English is not my mother tongue. So anyway, if you're curious, just Google sea angel or angel jellyfish. Do not mix it with what is angelfish or anglerfish. So anyway, there is a very ugly, oh not ugly, sorry, very scary looking deep sea creature. It's called something like angelfish.
Parts were blood.
Yes, yes. For the deep sea creature, don't forget to draw the glowing part.
And my glowing parts are the orange parts.
Good idea. How about you, Cici? What is your glowing part of your dragonfish?
I think dragonfish. The dragonfish glowing part is the blue thing. It glows. The whole body glows.
Yes. So we were watching this documentary about sea creature. It seems like there are certain part of DNA. I forgot in details. There are something in their DNA, written in their DNA that can make them glow. So the scientist is trying to put this part of specific writing in, for example, virus and identified where's the virus in the, for example, cancer patient and which part. Or which cell those viruses are attacking. So it's actually extremely interesting.
No, the eyes are on here. No.
Okay, that comes the question: why many of the deep sea creatures do not have eyes, or even they have eyes, their eyes basically the function is nothing. Why?
Maybe because it's too dark.
Exactly. Very good question. Cici, what do you think?
I think maybe because they have no eyes and they can see everything with no eyes.
Yeah, sometimes they can sense everything. For example, they can have some kind of radar.
I know. Like it's like that thing. Smell from here, they're bum.
Bum joke is always their favorite.
Or maybe the eyes. Maybe the sea snail is bored and he ate 2 eyes.
Ew.
Yes.
Why do you think the sea snail, the angel jellyfish is bored?
Because maybe he ate his eyes.
Yeah, I know, but why is he bored? This is the result, but we need to find out the reason.
I don't know.
Good answer. Oh wait, Cici's dragonfish is saying something. What does your dragonfish want to say?
My body is glowing.
Wow! Good writing, Cici. She's 4 years old. Wait, Cici's dragonfish is saying more things. It's very chatty, just like its owner. So, what is he saying here? She, sorry.
My body is glowing and I have teeth.
Wow, and they are very sharp.
Yeah, and they are very sharp.
Do you want to make a story?
I don't want to.
Oh, okay, good. Wait a minute, Cici, I just saw more speech bubble. What is this?
Brown. I need brown now.
What is
Eye.
eyes? Perfect. What is this?
Tail.
Tails. Okay, perfect. And you want to use
Tail.
okay, you want to use black colored pencil, but you know black on black paper does not work. Okay?
No, on this blue, so everyone knows this is the head.
Okay. Is this black? I think. Oh yeah, this is black. Okay, so Cici really loves to write a lot, and most of the time we do not correct her because she's only 4 years old, and her teacher said there's no need to correct her spelling. As long as she loves to write, this is most important.
Heads.
Is it why you use black pencil to mark where is the head?
Yeah, here. You know why I use blue? Because black on black paper doesn't work.
Okay, I think you did great. Absolutely amazing.
Johnny should have black.
Okay, now Leo is drawing a diver near the angel jellyfish.
I still need skin color.
Skin color. Okay.
No black skin.
If sometimes if the color you want does not
Black
exist,
China.
you can mix two colors together.
You have the black. Black.
Okay, 谢谢啦。Okay, so for the color pencil painting, normally it's all about layer colors on each other. So basically, we start with the lightest color. For example, if you now it's,
brown for black.
yeah, I can see. Yeah, if you let's say if it's on a white paper and you want to draw a blue sky, normally you have to reserve the white part as a cloud, and then you use the lightest blue first, and then you layer the darker blue, let's see the sapphire blue, and then at the very end you use the dark blue. Yeah. But if sometimes if you it is better to leave the white part, but if you really forget about this, you can still buy the white highlighter to fix it. Cici just add more speech bubble. Cici, what is the new speech bubble over there, the orange one?
Tongue.
Wow! I guess the dragonfish is very hungry. That is why the tongue is out.
It was shoot oxygen's tongue.
Okay.
That's in the back.
So what Leo is drawing now is a diver. And he's very thoughtful.
This is some of the oxygen tank sticking out.
And this is yellow.
Wait.
Yeah, okay. Accent.
I have a camera part where you can make pictures.
What a great idea. So
and you can make it bigger and smaller over here.
Okay. Good job.
And here's the part where
Yeah, you done? Now we finished. This is Cici's sea creature. Cici upside down 了啦. Okay, now the presentation part. Please explain to the audience about your sea creature.
This is a sea creature, and I know this sea creature.
And
it's a dragonfish. This is tail. This is the fin.
the glowing part.
This is the glowing part. And this is the eyes. This is the head. This is the tongue. This is the teeth.
Okay, if you want to name it, what do you think the name should be?
You can get it.
Okay.
If it's a girl, then you get it.
Okay, then maybe drag. Oh, drag. There's another joke.
Drag is
But-
a dragon.
Exactly. Good job.
Dragfish. Dragfish. Oh no, dragfish. Yeah, dragfish. I got it.
Now it's Leo's turn.
So this is a diver looking at the sea angel
Yes, sea angel.
jellyfish. And the orange part is the lighting part. The white part is the part where it's camouflaged. And these are the little stripes. And this is the helmet where you can take the pictures. And here is where you can breathe. And this goes to this oxygen tank.
Okay, what are those?
This part is for printing, this part is for taking, and this part is the camera.
So this
and
is
this
an
part
instant camera.
is the where you can make bigger and smaller.
Okay, that's it? Okay, good job. Cici, what did you add? A green part.
How can I draw dragon?
Oh, dragon is the Okay, so this is today's deep sea creature. Hope you also enjoying doing that. Okay, say bye bye.
Bye.
Have fun.